Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. I've just been taking a look at this. This is the US 30. I'll just go out and show you what I've got marked up here so we're on the same page. If we go quickly out to the weekly, well, we've got this level here. That's actually a daily level. Come back to that one. I've marked up the weekly open. That's it there. So I want to know how this is trading in relation to where the market opens. It's bearish. And I'll be looking for short opportunities on the pullbacks, pretty much. Okay, since that's the theme for the week, more or less. I go down to the daily now, quickly have a look at that. Yeah, there's a couple of things here. So looking left, we've got this daily level. See this rally in through here. That originated here. If we go down to the lower time frame, we could stretch that out and we'll see that this is a fairly significant accumulation zone, if you will. If we look left, we can see, right, this is a big level through here. Okay, a lot of trading took place here. So this is more or less like a point of control of this range back here. So we could even mark up that the middle of this as our point of control. Big level, range mid, I'll just call it that. And then we'll go over to current. What we also have here is we've got this impulsive move here, strong move to the downside, right, on the daily. And then the last port of call prior to this move was up here. So I've just marked up this as our resistance distribution level, if you want. That's where this move originated. So I'm always interested in these levels on the daily and on the 4 hour. Then we've got this here. This is a price gap. If you have a look at this candle in the middle, look left and then to the right, the high of that candle and the low of this candle here. So you can see a significant price gap. So the candles left and right haven't wicked through to fill this gap. So this balance area up here is a point of interest for me, thinking that we could see this trade back up to fill these gaps, possibly. It's always important to just note these areas on the chart and consider that as a possibility. It's overextended. We've got this thin leg, and we've also got another price gap. If you look here, high of this candle and the low of that candle, okay, left and right of this one in the middle here, another price gap here. So the question is, does this spike back up looking to fill these gaps? We've got resistance back in here and we've got a gap here. It's already had a go at it. It's wicked back up in here. And my question is, do we get a decent pullback looking for liquidity? The market's looking for two things, right? It's going to look for gaps and it's going to look for liquidity. And where's their resting liquidity? All the way. Stops. All down through here. And I mean, if smart money wants to take this further, they're going to need to tap into that to give them enough. If you're a seller, you need buy-side liquidity. So they, to give them the liquidity they need to short it. So I think that would be a thing. I mean, it can kind of trade back a little bit and kind of continue down and grind its way. I mean, that's, I guess, another way to look at it. But yeah, I think at some stage, whether it's this week, next week, I think we get a gap fill here. It just makes sense. I mean, it's the nature of, see, the trend trades down, pulls back, trades down, pulls back, right? Trades down, pulls back, trades further, pulls back. Typical structure. All right, so I mean, looking for an opportunity, I just want to know where these gaps are, and I know that there's liquidity above. I'll go down to the lower time frame and I'll look for an opportunity to trade this. I like to get involved with this on the lower time frame, and let me just show you something. If I go out of here, I'll just take these arrows out. I'll leave these other things marked up. Really simple way to navigate the volatility, guys. 3-minute chart. That was a trade. That was a trade. That was a trade. That was a trade. You're welcome to jump on board. The link is below. I've got a free Discord group going. Join us. There's another one. Our signals. That was a trade. So I've got a method of trading these alerts. It's a really great way to ride the coattails of how the market's moving pretty much and stay out of trouble and build your account. So with that, guys, that's the US 30. I'll be looking for an opportunity. We've got a bit of a breakout here. Does this pull back? When I'm trading these, I'm always looking for the pullback into the where it broke out, pull back, and then, do we get a little bit of a thing here? Possibly. I'll leave you with that. So have a great day, safe trading, and see you in the next video.